Yesterday, that's why. Why? Because the
Hi
mother...
everyone, Assalamu alaikum. So today Lisa will teach me how to make almond milk, badam ka doodh किस तरह से बनाते हैं और उसके लिए we need a Vitamix, and she recommends that we must have this particular Vitamix. And so I took 6 glasses of water and 1.5 cup of almonds, badam.
Okay, and you can make this without a Vitamix.
Okay.
But then to do that, you have to soak your nuts overnight and pull off the skins. Or you have to buy, what do you call almonds that are already skinned?
Without skinned almonds.
I can't think of the word.
Almond Monday.
Almost Monday.
There's another word. So with the Vitamix, you don't turn it on all at once. You start this. Let it going.
You can see the texture.
It will become white, right?
No, because it's still going to have the skins in it, but we're going to sift them out.
Well, what's wrong with the skin? Why can't I eat them?
Well, the skins are hard to digest. They are aggravating, so that means they create heat in the body, so they're heavier.
What's the word for pitta in English?
Heat.
No, pitta. Pitta
In
is
English?
yeah.
Pitta in English is pitta.
Yeah, there's the
Pitta. The word pitta actually means there's an organ, which is actually pitta.
Okay, but in Sanskrit, pitta also talks about the internal fire, the enzymes that digest food, and it also is about your nature. A pitta nature might be more hot-tempered if it's out of balance, but
Right.
when it's in balance, it makes a very strong intellect. It has a lot of good qualities.
To be cold or hot?
Huh?
To be hot or
But you
fire.
but if it's out of balance, you'll be too fiery and maybe irritable, and you might not sleep well in the middle of the night. You might wake up at 3 a.m. for a couple of hours. So we're not finished yet. I'm not working in my own kitchen, so I don't have all the tools I need. So
What would you like?
what I would really like is to have
a
what's called
nylon
a nylon. It's called a nut milk bag.
nut milk bag.
And I know we have some cheesecloth, but I also have this very fine sieve, which is actually as good as cheesecloth. So, so you pour it in here. Oh, wait, yeah, that's right. You pour it in here, but pretend you had a bag, because if you have a bag that somebody
Threw it away.
threw it away
In the trash bag.
because they didn't know what it was, you then squeeze the bag.
So
as
the
much-
reason we don't eat the peel is because it's bad for your pitta.
Well, it doesn't taste as good for one thing because it'll be rougher in the mouth. But when you pull the skins off, then it's pure, just like milk, as if you were drinking cow's milk. It's this beautiful liquid, and it's not like the stuff in the box that has guar gum and all those other things in it. I think we talked about that yesterday. So it's just beautiful tasting. You can add a little maple syrup if you like, and it'll make it very delicious. But I drink it like this every day. I make a protein shake with it, with some protein powder also, so which is good for vegetarians. So come look in the,
It's like milk.
yeah, just look in here. So it's a little bit fuzzy or bubbly but it's delicious. We'll pour a little milk.
Is it done?
Yeah, this is it. This is almond milk.
Ta-da!
There you have it.
Thank you.
Merry
Ta-da.
Christmas.
Badam, badam, badam.
Okay.
Des flonflons, da 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 dam.
So this has no, this is only
Edith Piaf.
done.
Badam, badam, badam.